it's Hannah with WTI. Check out this adorable purse by Montana West. It is so cute. A few things I really love about it is it holds so much stuff without being an overly large purse. It has tons of pockets on the inside, and most of them have their own zipper, so everything stays in place and you don't have to worry about anything falling out. It's big enough that I can carry my laptop in it, which is so nice when I just need to grab it for on the go. And it is a really pretty light brown color with a little bit of leather texture to it. On the back is two really nice pockets if there's anything that you need to hide or conceal, keep safe. The entire purse can zip closed, or you can just snap it closed depending on your preference. I love that I can use the shoulder strap, or it has handles if I want to carry it with handles. So if you're thinking about getting this bag, go ahead and order it. You won't be disappointed. I love how it keeps everything nice and organized on the inside, and it matches so many things. And that's my point of view.